One, action.
Panas banget.
Housemates gak sih?
Housemates.
Kan gue Pinnacle, terus gue nonton volley, terus
Oke.
mau Heidi Lau,
Oke.
terus
Gue juga mau.
gue mau nonton apa sih?
Demi apapun besok ada meeting.
Ada kan gue udah bilang hari ini ada.
What the? Hari ini ada.
Iya. Jam berapa? Apa? Dulu-dulu.
Oke, jujur gue tidur.
Bahasnya di sini aja.
Jujur gue tidur.
Gue nggak bisa meeting malam ini. Gue bisa nggak bahasnya di sini aja?
Tapi besok kalian harusnya hadir.
Mau?
Ini meetingnya tentang apa lagi emang?
Okay. So for today's meeting, only few people see. I want to talk about and finish the plan for Kreasi Collective. Kind of
Yeah.
our exhibition. The one we talked
Exhibition?
about last time. Yes.
What apa?
Okay. So the exhibition is basically intended to provide kayak art students with the opportunity untuk kayak kalau mau submit artwork terus mau dibeli orang bisa.
Oh jadi ini termasuk curtain calls kan?
Iya.
Oke.
Like photographs and shit.
Ya photograph bisa. Kalau nggak
Paintings?
painting bisa.
Films?
Film bisa.
Architecture?
Beneran bisa semuanya.
Iya bisa semuanya.
Damn.
Bisa juga bisa. Ya pokoknya it's a form of like an exhibition where you can show off your artwork. Tapi
Artwork gue jedak-jeduk bisa nggak? Gue kayak video jedak.
lucu banget, lucu banget.
Oke, lucu.
Bisa jadiin film jedak
Oh iya
jeduk
bisa sih.
tentang Alema.
So actors can
Emang
get
gua ajaib.
discovered. Oh, type shit.
Enggak, tapi filmnya maksudnya kayak bisa kayak gimana ya sih? Kayak screening, tapi it's a mini film yang cuman kayak 3 menitan lah.
Terus itu tapi kayak setting kan ini kan kayak mau screening gitu kan kita. Itu ide nge-screennya tuh kayak di mana atau gimana, udah ada ide atau belum?
Ide gue ya, ada ini tempat di Kemang, keren banget gila. It's like so designy, it's so it's a vibe, and it also has like apa sih namanya? Like a meaning behind their
Space gitu ya.
Yeah, it's like a living space.
Space available bukan sih namanya?
Iya, space available. Yang dekat paddle.
Itu gue mau nonton di situ.
Gue mau main paddle di situ.
Gue mau main paddle, gue sering banget main paddle di belakang. Paddle pro kan.
Tapi pokoknya gue mau di situ. Cause they have like this room, or it's called like a meditation room.
Oh gue tahu yang ada kayak ada projector terus kayak ada aura.
Iya gila,
Ada aura.
keren banget bro. It's such a vibe. Terus kan ada like little bean bags and stuff like that. Lu bisa duduk di situ sambil nonton. Jadi ada screening times. Oh, misalnya 5 film. Satu ini jam 1 sampai jam 2 lah. Ini 2 sampai 3. Ini and so on. Terus kan in the area yang di luarnya itu, there's like places where you could put pictures and stuff, and then there's also like I think they have like a little mini bar. Jadi kalau kita rent out tempatnya, orang yang datang ke sana bayar tiket misalnya 25.000 lah. Mereka juga dapat free drinks and stuff, cause we get like a 50 ml like food thingy. Apa sih?
Tapi kan ini kan kita udah ngomongin tentang pamerannya ya. Gue masih nggak ngerti sebenarnya kayak konsep curtain call tuh apa Jir, kayak maksudnya tuh kita tuh sebenarnya ngapain sih?
What
Kayak
are we?
Curtain call. Ya what
are we?
What are we, Kay?
Shit,
What are we?
that's a phrase, bro. What are we, bro?
Jadi sebenarnya curtain call tuh ngapain sih?
Ya pokoknya kayak oke kan ini untuk class project, ya kan?
Oke.
Kita semua perlu kelas, oke? Year 11.
Jujur, gua kos aja.
Oh lu core.
Gua kos aja.
Oh boleh.
Oke, nice.
Ya tapi kan juga bisa untuk anak-anak SA. Jadi if you take IB, it could be for CAS or it could be for SA.
Atau kayak people that just isn't
Just for fun. Just for fun.
Yeah.
Like,
Kayak it's gonna be a youth led and led by us. Jadi gue sebagai founder, Ifra Design, media, etc. Lah gitu lah.
nice.
Ya boleh.
Lanjut.
Terus kan we're gonna have different events, we're gonna have different activities where people can join in. Jadi kan kita punya YouTube, podcast. Kita mau submit.
Curtain calls, get it? Calls.
We can ask people to
On the go?
on the go.
nggak bisa diam ya nih orang.
We can ask some people to submit their films if they want for us to. We can screen them. If not, we can post them on our YouTube. And we also have a team. Alka, shout out.
Shout out to Alka.
Shout out to Alka
Off camera, by the way.
untuk bikin films. Him and Kimi Tabara, they both are head of films, and they can like designate different groups. Because we have a lot of film kids in our film department, our school and other schools juga. Terus mereka kan bisa submit their films that they made for class, kan banyak summative yang
Iya.
bikin film.
Soalnya kayak gue kayak sebagai mantan anak film mantan anak film di sekolah gue ya. Cuma itu kan screeningnya tuh kadang cuma sekedar di kelas doang, and I feel like there's so much more opportunities to show that outside of the
Wasted potential.
right. That's what I'm saying. It's wasted potential, bro. Kayak maksud gue tuh kayak bisa banget orang-orang tuh ngelihat kayak orang-orang yang sekitar yang di luar like our classroom. Gue bisa kayak we can create that audience that is outside of the classroom.
Bisa banget. Kayak in the exhibition, we can screen submissions, if not screen our own ones, and we can ngundang orang
Famous people, Joko Anwar, inshallah, amin.
and like them, actors, scriptwriters, etc. untuk melihat the different youth talent that we have, and this would be able to provide them with the opportunity to actually show their skills in the department they're willing to work in. Kan kita tadinya kan mau musical kan, tapi kita ganti
Rip,
ke exhibition.
poster pelangi.
Karena kayaknya menurut gue ya,
Where-
exhibition lebih gampang and there's more opportunities because it's different mediums gitu. Kalau musical kan cuman
Iya.
What
Berarti
about the painters though? What do they get? An auction?
mereka bisa pameran juga kan?
iya bisa pameran. Terus kan kita bisa jual kalau mereka mau
Jual.
jual
Jual apa tuh?
Kayak auction gitu.
Auction gitu.
gue kan tadinya gue mau auction tapi menurut gue auction susah. Jadi bisa jual.
Agak 6-7 sih.
Oke.
Dibeli tapi kan since we have di kita harus cash project jadi ini harus dijadiin sebagai sesuatu yang has a focus that is able to
Service
help
to the community Sumatera.
Selain buat cast project, kayak kan lu mau kuliah di London kan for apa sih? For arts, for theater, for UNL kan?
Insya
Amin ya Allah. Atau nggak ke New York Parsons gitu. Menurut lu ini bisa ngebantuin portofolio kita juga nggak sih?
bisa gila sumpah kan if you were just to like misalnya your school doesn't have like art or anything ya nggak ada art juga kayak maksudnya film if specifically you want film lu bisa bikin show your skill submit it to us we will choose kan yang tadi gue bilang cuman 5 yang bisa dipilih karena takutnya nggak ada waktu ya guys.
Soalnya kita tuh benar-benar yang kayak eksklusif parah gitu. Jadi cuma bisa 5. Kita handpick.
Dapat sertifikat nggak sih kalau kita upload kayak artwork gitu?
Kalau ini artwork dapat certificate, tapi kalau dipilih, maksudnya maaf banget yang nggak kepilih. Bismillah kepilih.
Kok bingung gitu sih ngomongnya?
How dare you, Kay?
Maksudnya kayak we want to show off the really good skills as a way of like the representation of what the youth can do without the privilege of like having a whole company. That's why we made this organization yang kita nggak ambil uang, kita nggak dapat uang, maksudnya kita dapat uang untuk donasi. So we have a specific focus which
Kita
is
udah
education.
ada kayak allocated money-nya tuh buat kemana fee-nya segala macam. Jadi kayak kita tuh sebenarnya non profit parah.
Izin.
Jadi non profit parah. Terus kayak maksud gue, even if let's say nggak kepilih nih, tapi kan in that process of making that film lu nggak asah skill lu yang filmmaking segala macam. Jadi let's say ada kemungkinan kita ngebuka lagi kayak buat nge-submission film, lu bisa submit lagi gitu loh. Jadi bukan yang kayak kalau udah kalah udah tutup kemungkinan, nggak kayak gitu.
Yeah.
Because with that itu juga kan lu proses, lu harus nge-planning segala macam ya, itu kan behind the scenes-nya juga banyak banget kan. And you learn from that. Jadi maksud gue kayak kalaupun nggak kepilih, itu juga bukan yang kayak anjir gue nggak masuk apa-apa, bukan. Nah, cause
Berarti-
you're like ngasah gitu.
Lem, kayak berarti kalau misalnya kalian pun beginner gitu masih bisa nggak sih ikut?
Bisa banget.
Bukan, it doesn't matter if you're a
open.
beginner or if you're like so pro.
We're
It's-
open to all ages and demographics.
We're here to give you guys an opportunity to be able to broaden your skills, even if you're just a beginner or just a starter. If you join and then you get assigned a first film,
beginners,
and that's your
starters,
first film,
sama aja
ya nggak apa-apa. You have a whole team to help you, and you have your heads. They can act as your mentors to actually help you because obviously the heads are the people that have been chosen and trusted because of their skills and their dedication to being able to like create stuff, and I love my heads.
Whoa. Oh, you mean like, oh, yeah. I'm a co-head. She's a
I'm a co-head.
Head designer.
Co-head.
head.
Head.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Hey.
Ya.
Oh.
Fokusnya ya di Indonesia ya. Kalau bisa broaden ya broaden sih.
Insya Allah bisa ke Singapura.
Terus pas kemarin kita meeting, gue liat tuh banyak banget membernya. Kayaknya kalau misalnya mau bikin temen juga bagus nggak sih kalau di sini?
Banget. 60 gila. There's around, I'm pretty sure 10 schools we have.
Seribu.
Kayak Global Jaya, Santa Ursula ada kalau nggak salah. Jabar ada, Jabar.
Gue pikir
BSJ, Binus ada nggak sih?
Salah ada. Ada juga yang dari homeschool.
Iya, homeschool.
Udah pokoknya kayak ini tuh benar-benar yang kayak kalau lu mau network sini.
Iya.
Ini walaupun kita ini representasi Glojai lah ya, cuma kayak next episode itu bakal ada orang-orang yang dari sekolah lain.
Iya.
And maksud gua tuh kayak dari sekolah lain obviously pandangannya juga berbeda. Ini juga kita pandangannya juga beda-beda. Maksud gua tuh kayak
Pandangan pertama.
saking kita diverse-nya, our motto is bineka tunggal ika.
Gila.
Gila.
Nah, itu.
Jujur boleh aja.
Ya tapi pokoknya, yang lama bilang podcastnya ini bukan cuma kita, jadi nggak usah bosen. There's gonna be different people from different schools. There's gonna be different topics, different places. So you're not gonna be sick of seeing this yellow place, okay?
Not it, bro.
Dan
Not it, bro.
topik ngobrol kita tuh bakal selalu on the flow. Kita semua open minded, nggak rasis. Terus kita
rasis.
Gila nggak rasis. Kita open to any topics yang kalian mau omongin. Dan kalau misalnya kalian bisa mau ikut curtain calls, kalian juga bisa ikut podcast. Nggak cuma exhibit artwork dan lain-lain.
It's not only for the head. We opened volunteering for the podcast. Jadi you will always see different members from our organization. So, and different topics, kan I said. So this topic is just an introduction to curtain calls and what we are and what opportunity we are able to give you. But the next topics are gonna be more fun. They're gonna be about movies, hot takes, etc. like that. Terus juga, insya Allah, Bismillah ya Allah.
Amin.
Kalau kita dapat guest star, and we are
Putra.
if we are able to interview them and get their insight of behind the scenes, if not skills that they could, like tips and tricks they could provide us with, this would not only be an entertainment platform, but will also be an educational platform you guys can learn from, you know?
We're open to all forms of art except AI. Like
Ada music juga nggak sih?
AI. There is music. There is music.
Ya nggak gitu.
kan lu bilang AI tadi, tiba-tiba music.
Nah, itu siapa member kita yang gitaris jago banget? Wah gila itu.
Noah Nathaniel,
My
gila.
God, anjir.
Yang agak gila itu kan.
Who's our head of
Gitar
music?
skillsnya juga gila banget.
Kiana.
Nah, Noah is from Global. Kiana
foto
from
dia di
BSJ.
That is how diverse we are, guys. Come join us.
Kita semua dari
CCP.
beragam suku dan budaya.
PPKN kelas nih jadinya ya.
Assalamualaikum, shalom dan om swastiastu. Hey.
Lu kan bilang mau musikal kan? Tadinya mau musikal Laskar Pelangi, shout out.
Laskar Pelangi.
Jujur banget.
Shout out Cowboy Junior, bro.
Hey,
I love them.
6'7".
Maaf banget.
6'7".
Yeah, we wanted to do a musical namanya Musikal Laskar Pelangi as a way of showing our Indonesian heritage. Anjay nggak?
Enggak.
Jujur enggak?
Ya tapi pokoknya menurut gue ya underrated ya. Tapi kali untuk gue orang-orang pikir bias karena bokap gue yang bikin, maaf.
Anjay berarti anjay.
Tapi ya tadinya mau
Tadinya mau itu tapi nggak jadi.
nggak jadi karena menurut gue susah banget, terus aduh rentalnya mahal banget ya.
Iya.
Ya guys.
Tapi bagus juga sih opsi lu milih buat semua media. Jadi kayak banyak yang bisa ikut.
Gue juga apa sih? Lu pernah ceritain ke gue deh tentang opening different workshops, nggak sih?
Oh iya.
Pernah kan?
Kayak nanti curtain calls tuh bakal ada banyak workshop juga. Ada film workshop, musical workshop, arts workshop, design workshop.
Oh my god. Let's
Jadi
go.
mungkin
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Lanjut.
Dan mungkin kalau misalnya kalian ikut workshop ini, kalian bisa kayak belajar tentang kayak oh gimana cara ngedesain, gimana cara produce musik, gimana cara produce musikal dari orang-orang penting gak sih?
Iya, jadi jangan pikir like, oh, the heads, the students are gonna be the ones teaching us.
No,
Enggak.
we don't know
Jujur
anything
banget,
about
kita
this
nggak ngerti.
industry. We're so
We
sorry.
don't understand that much.
Workshop apa, Bang?
Apa?
Biasa, lemah gojek.
Gimana nih banyak yang takut gara-gara kebanyakan anak Glojai.
Gila, nggak usah takut. Kita kan anak baik, anak
Kita baik sih.
So,
Kita menerima dan kita nggak bakal left you guys out.
Iya, tapi juga we opened submissions like last year, like 2 or 3, 6 or 7 months ago.
4, 5?
Oh.
No.
6, 7.
Aduh, ini brain rot banget. Tapi we opened sign-ups a few months ago, and honestly, there were Glojai kids, but there were also other kids from outside of our school.
Yes.
Up to 60.
Yes.
Even one of our head of design juga bukan anak Glojai. My co-head is not a Glojai.
She's homeschooled.
Yeah, she's homeschooled.
Like,
Jadi kalau kalian takut,
Gak usah takut.
gak usah
how
takut.
diverse can we get, bro? What?
Sumpah.
Berarti kesimpulannya emang curtain calls tuh oke
It's-
banget buat diikuti.
It's for everyone.
Iya, semua orang harus ikut.
Semua, no exception.
Iya sih.
Semua.
Bentar lagi udah mau meeting gak sih?
Iya.
Kayaknya
What
udah
time is it? Oh,
Waduh
my
guys,
God, an
udah
hour?
jam 7.
Udah mau jam 7.
Yeah, it's at 8 because we always have our meetings at 8. Tapi this is
Kita siap-siap meeting dulu.
Ya udah.
Udah. Buru. Balik.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.